flat for split seconds. Dyson, Mr. Mark Dyson even. Amber Shepherd, Vin Cooper, Zion Poulter, Art Esselmont, Ashton Coombs, Colby Ellis and Luke Terry in this one. And it looks like Road State Action Beat, I think, leaving this one out at the moment. Looking good, Vin Cooper in there in the 2 spot with his long flowing locks. The 4-5-2, that's Luke Terry in there in 3, Indy Racing. Look at Art Esselmont in there in 4 with the 18 of Zion Poulter in 5. Amber Shepherd, doing it for mixed BMX team, she gets stuck in there with the boys on the cruiser all the time. Good job, Amber, well done. Elijah Shearer, Harry McCann, Joseph Harris, Cameron Parrish, Rocky O'Brien, Adam Streetman and Zachary Dowson. 775 or 175 and Rocky O'Brien leading it out to 20. Joseph Harris in 2, Cameron Parrish in 3, Zach Dowson in 4. Elijah Shearer in 5. That was moto number 2, moto number 3, Tyler Coombs, Dylan Dowson in this one. Kyle Hill leading it out, Zach Randall, Todd, Jack Eden, Nathan Dupree, Tom Whittaker and Joe Brooks. It's Tyler Coombs' birthday, is it? Good stuff, happy birthday Tyler. If you've got birthday shout-outs, let us know, we will drop them in there somewhere. Brooks is in there in 4, that looks like Dupree in there in 3. Dowson with a little bit of work to do. 13, 14 cruisers, moto number 2, that's Theo Bolt leading it out. That's Harrison June in there in 2, that looks like Ashley in 3. Oscar Ricketts in there somewhere, no, Ashley's actually in 5. Jack Wiggins, Luca Manzi. So all the guys going through the, whoops! Oh dear, calm down. It's a bit early, Oscar, for that kind of thing. So he's in there as well. 15, 16 cruisers, moto 5. Crowson, Henderson, Goodfellow, Park, Smith, Harding, Connor Blythe and Jake Shepherd. Joe Parr had a great day yesterday. 2 wins. And he's out front again today. 224 in 2, that is Connor Blythe. That's Broden in there in 4, with Kieran in there in 5. Moto 6, Hayden Chalice, Matthew Goodwins, Charlie Dempsey, Kobe Richardson, Lucas Bailey and Wade Agar. Newly mounted on GT for this season. He's in there in 3 at the moment, has a couple behind. Matthew Goodwin's leading it out, Hayden's in there in 2. That looks like Kobe Richardson in 4. Oh! Elbows flying, Moto 1. Lucas Bailey getting stuck in there. Go on, Scott, Moto 7.
Yeah, 30 plus female cruisers. Billion Hilton, Steele, Chisholm, Watts, McGuire and Dominguez. And it looks like road stakes, Gillian. Rolling through. Good racing from these ladies now. Really stepped up their game over the last few years. And Gillian out there. Going to take the win by a long way. Move on to the second rank with ladies, 30 plus. And the road stake rider. Rebecca Gold had a good day yesterday. So 9 in there as well. That's Lydia Pearson and Anita Wong for Hawks in 3. Last rank of female cruisers. Looks like Batswood. We've got the Sorcery Mix and Bexhill. Sounds like I've got a good little thing going on down there with Keith Dooley doing some coaching. The kids love it. And great stuff we're going through there. Going to take that one with Leah Pemberton. And Kelly McKay in 3. 17 to 29 female cruisers. Goes in the following out there. Eden's in there in 2, and then a 3 plate with Lana Ridgewell. Second half Industries. So GT, they've had a bad day yesterday. GT. We're still rolling through. We've got Molly Shearer in this one leading through. Had a good day yesterday again. Johnny Kissel in there for WP UK is in 3 and UCC. Then it's Kelly Thompson in 2. Okay, the oldest swingers in town, here they come. 50 plus cruiser. Keith Wilson edging slightly in front of Simon Turton. I think he won yesterday. Keith Granger. All in the mix today, Keith Wilson. In the one still.
Right, also 13 more 50 plus cruiser. Danger 80 Warden. In there in 1, Billy Stubble in there in 2. We've still got this size 44 clip shoe up here, and there's nobody in the cruiser class limping at the minute, or pedaling from it. You can have it back if you want it, honestly. It's just handling there, is he having a day off? Looks like Russ is having a day off. Stu Beatsmeet in there, that's Stevie Noble, the Christoph Levac of the North East. He's in there in 3 at the minute. Who else we got in there? Training walks. Right, 45-49 cruiser. Kevin Bacon in there in 3. Got Alan Hill in there in 1. John Moore's in there in 2. Who's that in 4? That's the 8th place. Who's that? That's Chris Brandt. That's it! In there in 4 spotlight. Mr. Howells, European champion 1985. He's in there in 5 at the minute. Right, Rich Barrett, leading that moto number 15. Tom Carter's in there, Andy Cooper, Brent Featherstone, up in that 2 spot. Keachy's out there as well. Look at Keachy's flying.
Go, Keachy! You're not lost, keep going.
Miles Gold, Gary Carver, also in there as well. Euro Tom going through. Moto 16, Chris Madron, Nick Hood, Andy Lee, Paul Terry, John Bentley, Ian Archibald leading it out, Neil Hooks and Michael Whittaker. So Archibald in 1, Lee in 2, Bentley's in there in 3, Madron in 4, Hooks in 5, Paul Terry in 6, Nick Hood in 7, and Michael Whittaker in 8. Moto 17, Samuel Fletcher, Paul Barnard, Jacob Elkin, Rich Penny, Martin Oxon, Mark Warfield and Kelvin Nong. And it's all pastel pants out there in front, Martin Ogden. He's in there in 1. He's in 2. Number 9, Mark Warfield on the 11. That's the, oh God, I'm going to Simon Fletcher. Sorry, Simon. Paul Barnard on the 476. There's Andy Shaw, head to Masters now, doing it to stay strong. Local racer in this one. He's in there in 1, Damien Mead in 2. He did. And the 7 plates. Tom Haslem, he's in there in 3. Nigel Smith in 4. Jamie Duffy in 5. James Tresman. Team head honcho, looking up to be racing, Leighton Barnes in there as well. And the 11X of Lee Matthews.
Yeah. Here we go, Lindsay out there at the moment looking good for Cumbernauld. Oh! Whipham made the move. Yeah. I much preferred it when he was all orange. But he's right there doing the business with him, looking good for GH3. Lindsay still hanging at 2. Yeah, we got Johnson, Drew, Hodge, Arthurs, Parsons, Middlehead, Smith, and East. Got any Parsons out there, is it? I can't see. Yeah, it is. Oakes is in there as well, with Sim Johnson. 17:29 now, looking good. 8 playing out there, Nathan Abbott, doing this widow photography. Bradshaw in there on the south shirt in 2. Will Smith for Kieran in 3. Bradshaw doing a bit of bucking and diving. Trying to get alongside Abbott for this last corner. So, a drag race on the last straight. Abbott looks like he's got it. team identity. Ollie Cutmore, world number 2, currently out there with Smiley sitting there in 2. Callum Edwards as well. Our leading riders. But, yeah, in the last corner. Still Cutmore hanging on there, but Smiley's going underneath. Oh, we're having a bit of a race. It's a liven them up, wake them up in the morning. Shane Redswell leading this one out for Team Identity and Braintree. Webley's in there as well. Looking good. Could have been national racing. I assume that's what it stands for. It's all good. Race day video in there as well. Yeah. Race 24, 5 to 7-year-old young ladies. Lexi Wayne, Lottie Brown, Jessica Walls, Libby Copping, Orla Cooper, and birthday girl Emmy Seward. She has sent us cake stuff. So Emmy sent us some birthday cake, some nice little cupcakes, so thank you Emmy. She's got a birthday, and brother James got a birthday as well. Very shortly, so happy birthday to you both. And thanks for the cake. Lexi Waite's in there in 2. She took a tumble yesterday. Slipped her pedals in practice. She looks like she's going alright at the minute. 3-4-3, Lottie Brown. In there in the 3 spot with 2 girls from Nottingham, Jessica Walls and Orla Cooper. Both on Mayballs, both wearing the same jersey. Oh, that's going to be fun. And Libby Copping, beautiful crucial. Good morning, Libby. Well done. Right. Also 25, Charlie Long, Austin Trowbridge, Albert Winkley in this one. Who else have we got? Evan Barley, Seth Percival and Thomas Walls. All in it. Austin doing it for DC Cycles. Out there in front at the moment. Evan's in there in 2. Doing it for Team Islands. Who have we got in 3? Not quite sure in a minute. All on 5. Charlie Long out of Braintree. Battling away with Thomas Walls there. Well done boys, keep it up. Albert and the 8-10 going through. Looks like Otter's just going to take that win on the level with Seth Percival from Andover. Elijah Jamira from Nottingham, Billy Davis, Pepe Lopez, Harley Weaver and Archie Small. And it says Mr. Lopez out there in front of the minute. Elijah's right next to him. Just there on his back wheel. Points 492. Harley Weaver on the 380 just went past me now, doing it for Birmingham the BMX. I just hold the track. It looks like Mr. Lopez is taking the win. On to 27, 7-year-olds, Luke Wilcox leading this one out, Oscar Davis. Oscar took a tumble in practice this morning. Nice to see he's back up and okay. Jacob Middlehurst, Ollie Dodds, Bradley James, Dylan Jones and Samuel Dowson. But Luke's out there in 1. Bradley's in there in 2. Ollie's in there in 3. Oscar in 4. Jacob in 5. Dylan in 6. And the 2-7 was Sam. He's in there in 7. Well done, Sam. Right, we're looking for Jack Jones. Where do you want him? Yeah? Right. Jack Jones, Nottingham Outlaws. Jack Jones, Nottingham Outlaws. If you can hear me, can you go to the admin cabin? Yeah? Because Mum's looking for you, Jack Jones. We can go back to the admin cabin or to the team tent, somewhere where, you know, we can make sure that you are looked after. Jack Jones, because we don't want you on Jack Jones. Head back to the team tent or to the admin cabin, please. Thank you. Right, no idea where we're up to now, Scott. 29, Aidan Giles, Thomas Black, Elliot Owen, Callum Fermer, Riley Payne, Ollie Johnson and Ethan Wink. Looks like Callum's out there in front at the moment. 386, that'll be Ethan in there in 2. Riley's in there in 3 and Aidan's in there in 4. Ollie Johnson making some moves. He's in there in 5 with a treble 2 with Thomas Black. Trying to make a move down the final straight as well.
Max Nequest, Ollie Kirby, Felix Lopez, Ted Kitson, who I think is getting a bit of encouragement on Scott. Logan Widdowson, Leon Gretsch, and Corey Brown. So Felix is in there in 1, Corey's in there in 2, Tate's in there in 3, Logan in 4, Decoy Rider, that'll be Ollie in 5, Theodore's in there in 6, and the Nottingham Rider in 7, that'll be Max. Right, Scott, Moto 31. Oh, sorry, I'll carry on, don't worry. The Clitheroe kid, James Clitheroe, he's in there in the 1, absolutely flying at the minute, he's all over it. Harrison Schofield's in there somewhere as well, Lucas Seeley in there in 3, Jules Todd going through, but it is little Jimmy Clitheroe taking it to the line, doing it for FTB. Yes, thanks, Scott Norris.
Okay, guys, you guys on the by this first corner over here, I've just been asked by the organisers, you need to keep that area clear the game way through. Try not to block it up. Just be mindful of people coming in and out along that straight. Thank you. 33 on our way. Looks like it is Leon Parker. Had a great day yesterday. He's in there. 8 plate in there as well. Got to be Harry Banks. Yeah. Playlist has gone all rock. Has he fell asleep with these? Oh, he's not even here. Parker's out there, looking good. Banks in there, and 2 10 plates in there as well. Ben Perry. He's still running that nightclub in Wigan. Bolton. Oh, Bolton, yeah. Cool. Okay, we're rocking and rolling. Tim Phillips, Big Daddy, Pure UK. Massive signing by Ryan Baxter, by the looks of it. And we are rolling through. Who's in the ring, shaking his head? That is a 12 plate of Harry Keat. Looking good, gone in the lead there. Here comes from Phillips, coming back in. Into race 35, more 8-year-olds. 674 going at it. That is Kenny Cook and Eli Smith for Supercross Sort of UK. Too many names. SSUK, yeah. Sounds like an organisation that we really should be advertising. It's Eli Smith going down there. Taking up, here we go, we've got this one. Finley Hall. Didn't have a very good day yesterday.
No, Finn had a bit of a
OCD job, wasn't it? But he's alright, he's out there, doing it as he normally does out in front.
building tough at Preston.
Yeah. It's Jamie Rabbitt's birthday.
It is apparently this cake for Scott as well.
Brilliant, love it.
Swear to God, I'm going to leave here this weekend with Dave.
Yeah,
He's got no cake.
He's a whole 8 years old. He's going through, he's getting pushed into the grass and he's not careful. All Love Got Money in the house, they're out there Leighton bands. Even cousin, who's having a roll round? Oh, it's two of them. Two of them on the floor. Must have been a late night. But it's the 9 plate out there looking good still. Even cousin. 18 in there as well. Freddie Dudman for SK.